Hello, it's Carolyn from the Purple Poncho. Today I'm going to show you how to add the single crochet edging for the Tunisian spa cloth collection. It goes all the way around your cloths, and I will show you that now. So once you have your bind off complete, and here's your last stitch here on the edge, go ahead and chain one. Rotate your work, and we're going to work down the side edge to begin. You can use your Tunisian hook or a regular crochet hook, it's up to you. So I've chained one on this corner here, and I'm just going to put a single crochet stitch in the next stitch. So yarn over, or insert yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through two. So we're doing a single crochet. Insert in the next stitch, and I'm going through both loops, yarn over and pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through two. So now I have two single crochets, and we're going to single crochet in the end here of each row. It's very easy to see the ends of the rows because there's this really nice little space here, and you can just put your stitches right in there all the way across. So I have one more stitch to complete for the edge of my row. Okay. And now I'm at the beginning of where I started my chain, and this area here I'm going to put two single crochet in that same stitch, which is that first chain that we made to begin our cloth. Okay, so I'm just going to put two single crochet right there. There's one, and going in that same space or stitch and make another one in that same spot right in the corner there. So that's our corner. We're going to begin working across the bottom of this cloth. We're going to be working in each of these V-stitches that you see across the top all the way to this corner over here. You can crochet over your tail at the same time, or you can drop it to the back and then just continue working. So insert in the next stitch, yarn over and pull back through, two loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through two. Go into the next V-stitch and yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through two. And I'm going to drop my tail to the back now, so I think you could see it a little bit better. So I'm going to go in the next V-stitch right here, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through two. We're going to repeat this all the way across in each of these stitches. And I'll see you back in the corner. So I have one more stitch to make. And now I'm going to place two single crochet in the next stitch for the corner. There's one and two. So now I'm going to turn my work and work along the other side edge. Okay. And again, we're just going to be placing one single crochet in the next, at the end of the next row. Going under both loops and making a single crochet. Just completed my last single here for the edge, and now for the corner I'm going to go into that next stitch in the corner and place 2 single crochet in the same stitch. There's 1, and 2. And now, working across the top of our cloth, back to our beginning single crochet over here on the left, place 1 single in each stitch across. So now we're working along the bind off row that we did. This is our bind off row right here. And it can get a little snug, so if you need to go down a hook size, you can. So 1 single in each stitch across. To finish the round, place 2 singles in the corner stitch. There's 1 and 2. And then go ahead and end off your yarn and pull it through. Now I'm going to thread this on a yarn needle, and I'm going to do the professional finish in the round. So to complete this and to finish up your row, I want to make another V stitch that looks like these right here. So I'm going to go with my yarn needle, go underneath the next stitch and pull that through. And then looking at the top of your work, find the V stitch of the last stitch that we just made, go down the center of the V and underneath that little stitch behind there, and pull your yarn through there and gently pull it down until you get another little V stitch here on the top. And what that does is it makes a continuous V around your entire square here. Okay? And that's how I like to end off my granny squares or anything in the round, because that way you can't not tell where you ended off. So again, just going in between the stitches, in the center of the stitches. So I'm trying to stay in the middle of the front of the stitch and the back of the stitch. And just keep going down. And this is the same for the larger cloth that I'm showing you on the smaller cloth. You would repeat this on the larger cloths or whatever size you end up making. You can always alter the sizes. Okay, now I'm going to go back down. And end off. You can bring it back up if you like, and end off your yarn. Okay, and you can block these if you prefer. I haven't blocked any of mine, but here is my Tunisian simple stitch spot cloth. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to add the single crochet edging and how to finish the round in with the professional finish. So thank you for crocheting with me, and have a wonderful day.